Hi guys, today we caught a cicada and it's very small over there. I know you can't clearly see it because it's pretty blind. Let's get it out, flying over there. Little cicada. Little cicada. Oh, cicada. Put it on the aquarium. He's gonna die. No, he's gonna die. I told you he's gonna die. Come on! Now, just please subscribe to my channel because I'm not going to I just love animals. I'm not animal kisser. He's over there.
Hindi, dapat gently mo lang, hindi malakas.
Wait.
Wait.
I got that.
Siya ng gently. Na bakit ako
Here's the guy. Kasi like. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. Takot sa'yo.
Hindi, baka mapakawal. Wag ganyan. Wag ganyan na
Bibisa mo. Hindi ka pwede. Di ba na?
Hindi ko pwede gano'n.
Yeah, sorry about that. Because he just almost squished it. Oh. Over there. Over there. Where should we put it? Little cicada guy. Where do you think we should go? This is a common cicada found in the Philippines. And it can suck. It lives in trees. It can fly. Okay. He's being noisy. But don't you dare squish it. Do it like this. No, you can't. You can't. You should do it exactly like this, okay? Now do it exactly like this. No. Hold it. Okay, it's over there. Romy has it. Look at that. That's a giant, stupid cicada. Okay. We found holes over here. Might have been from a cicada. This one had one. Now it's gone. It's covered now. That little cicada, let's let it go. Go back where it came from. My little guy. Don't squish it. Yeah, hear that? Hear that? You can hear so many over here. Over here. No, we're gonna let it go. Bye, little cicada. Oh my god, it just went on my face. We see more and more and more. We see like 100 cicadas. By the way, over there, there's like 14 cicadas I can see. Over there, I see. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, the bell. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, or else a giant cicada will suck your ass. Just kidding. I'm so sorry about that. I just said it will suck your ass. But it only sucks sap. Of course we do. Of course. Guava juice will kill you. Because why? We just make the milk. That's only a national. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to National Worlds of Animals. Okay, I'm just gonna show you the look. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's wrap this